Are you searching for the best vacuum sealer to preserve your food, save money, and reduce waste? In this video, we've handpicked the top 5 vacuum sealers available on Amazon, selected based on performance, durability, and real user reviews. Whether you're into meal prepping, sous vide cooking, or just want to keep your food fresh longer, this list has something for you. Number 1. NutriChef Vacuum Sealer, Silver. Hey friends! Today, I'm sharing a super handy product, the NutriChef Food Vacuum Sealer Machine. If you're into meal prepping or want to keep your food fresh longer, this gadget is a total game changer. It's compact, lightweight, and sleek in silver, making it perfect for any kitchen. The LED touch controls make it super easy to use, just tap and go. You get vacuum bags, a hose, and even a wine stopper with it, making this more than just a food sealer. With strong suction power and automatic operation, it's perfect for beginners and experts alike. Whether you're sealing leftovers or packing snacks, this machine does it all quickly and efficiently. And at just under 3 pounds, it's easy to store and takes up minimal counter space. It's affordable, efficient, and user-friendly. Definitely a thumbs up from me. Number 2. Anova Precision Sealer, Black. I'm excited to introduce the Anova Culinary Precision Vacuum Sealer. If you're into food storage, meal prepping, or sous vide cooking, this machine is a must-have in your kitchen. It's compact, slim, and comes in a stylish black finish. Weighing just over 2 pounds and featuring manual operation, you'll have full control over your sealing. Plus, it comes with 10 pre-cut bags, so you can get started right away. The seal is strong and precise, making it perfect for sealing meats, veggies, or any other food while keeping everything fresh. Its small size means it doesn't take up much counter space. Whether it's meal prepping or preserving leftovers, everything seals quietly and quickly. With its affordable price, performance, and ease of use, the Anova Precision Vacuum Sealer is definitely value for money. Feel free to try it out. Number 3. Weston Pro 2300, Stainless Steel. I'm excited to introduce the Weston brand's vacuum sealer, a powerful and durable machine designed for food preservation and sous vide cooking. It's built with commercial-grade stainless steel, making it both strong and long-lasting. The machine features a 5mm extra-wide sealing bar, allowing you to seal bags up to 16 inches wide, perfect for larger cuts of meat or big batches of food. With 935 watts of power and a semi-automatic operation, this sealer works fast and efficiently. While it's a bit heavy at 22 pounds, its stainless steel design gives it a professional, sturdy feel. It handles both dry and moist foods, and is fantastic for sous vide prep as well. Plus, it's perfect for storing food for the long term. If you're looking for a heavy-duty, reliable vacuum sealer that can handle bigger jobs and last a long time, the Weston vacuum sealer should definitely be on your checklist. It may be a bit expensive, but its performance and durability make it a value-for-money product. Number 4. FoodSaver 4800 Series, V4840. I'm reviewing the FoodSaver 4800 Series 2-in-1 vacuum sealing system, and if you're into meal prepping or want to keep food fresh longer, this might just be your kitchen's new best friend. The sleek silver design looks great, and the fully automatic operation makes sealing super easy. It even comes with a starter kit, including bags and rolls, so you're ready to go right out of the box. With 127 watts of power, it seals fast and tight. Yes, it weighs about 10 pounds, but the solid build gives it a professional, durable feel. If you're looking for a vacuum sealer that's easy to use, reliable, and saves money in the long run, the FoodSaver 4800 is a smart investment. Number 5. NESCO vs O2, Black. I'm reviewing the NESCO vs O2 vacuum sealer, perfect for anyone looking to keep their food fresh longer or save time on meal prepping. This device comes with a sleek black plastic body, and it's not only compact but also stylish. With 130 watts of power and an automatic shut-off system, all you have to do is press a button, and the machine takes care of the rest. You'll also get a starter kit with vacuum bags, so you don't need to purchase anything separately. Whether you're sealing dry food, leftovers, or items for the fridge, it works flawlessly every time. Weighing just 7 pounds, it's easy to move around and doesn't take up much space in the kitchen. If you're looking for an easy-to-use, powerful vacuum sealer at a great price, the NESCO vs O2 is definitely a solid choice. It's the best pick for beginners on a budget. Here are our top 5 picks, carefully selected based on our personal research, ratings, reviews, quality, and durability to ensure the best choices for you. We hope this video has been helpful. If you found it useful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Stay tuned for more amazing product reviews, and thank you for watching.